Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. Welcome to my sldevcode YouTube channel. Now I already passed 1000 subscribers in my YouTube channel. I would like to thanks all for following me on my journey. And also I invite all of you to continue to stay in touch with my YouTube channel. Let's go to our video. In this video, I am going to demonstrating how to create question answering system using NLP. All the useful links and details I will put my video description, and also I will upload the source code to my GitHub account and I will put these links also in my video description. This is a open domain question answering system. Now you can see sldevcode question answering system overall diagram. So when we type questions, it automatically processing and display the answers. So this system display correct short answers only. Now you can see all the project details. So what are the requirements? So what are the tools and technologies which I use when developing this application, and also finally guide how to run this application like that. Let's go to the demonstration video. Before run the application, you have to install those libraries. Here I note down how to install those libraries. So go to the terminal and type pip install NLTK, pip install Flask, like that. After that, set up to environment. You can run this application using this command. Finally, your server will automatically up. Using this website, you can easily find how to install these libraries. When I developing this application, I used PyCharm IDE. After that, you can download the source code and open the project. Now I will tell again how to install those libraries. Now I have already installed those libraries. Therefore, I am not going to set up it again. In here you can see already installed. So this is the very first interface. So when I develop this, I use Bootstrap and CSS. So this is the second interface. It will display your answers. Those are very simple interfaces. Now I will show you the code. This is the local host port number. I think you can read this code easily. It means I have comment line by line. I think it's very useful for you. Okay, now I am going to run my application. So go to the terminal and type python app.py and hit enter. Now you can see starting server on port 9191. Now go to your web browser and type this and hit enter. It's working fine. Now you can see the interface. Now you can search what you want. It will automatically Google search and display the correct short answers. And now I will type my very first questions. So what is HTML? And click go button. So now you can see the answer. So it's a noun, a set of tags and rules for using them in developing hypertext documents. So move to the next question. Now I will type what is an IP address and click go button. Now you can see the answer. An Internet Protocol address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to each device that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. I hope now you can successfully run the sldevcode question answering system using NLP. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask. So if you like my videos, click in the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys.